Hello Pythonistas. Today we are going to see the CS50P. How to set up CS50P, what are the first steps and how can I proceed further. So today will be the first video about CS50P and I hope you all will enjoy this series. Okay, first for CS50P we should just type in Google CS50P. Then we will get a Google page. Here we can go to an edX page. So in this edX, if you can see here, there is something called as cs50.edx.org.python. So click on this and here you can see it is a course, and always this one enroll will be available for you. So first we need to sign in or register for free. So since you are very new to edX, I am going to make a register for free account. So yeah, after clicking on this, we will be asked for things and I'm going to use Google for registering my account. And here, Pythonista Geek is my account. So once I log in, I am asked for some details and after that, create an account for free. So I'm just assuming that we are going to be a complete beginner. So it is going to be like this for a complete beginner. Yeah, so after this we can see that this is the new edX page for us, and again we can just write CS50P and edX course is here for us. Yeah, yes, we have already logged in and now I'm going to click on this enroll button. Once I have enrolled, can you see the free course here? So I'm going to go to the free course. Yeah, so this is our edX account with CS50P, and now I'm going to click start course, and in this course if you can see there are very big course details available for us. I'm just going to click on this course number so that you can easily see all the things. So this is the first introduction video and we are going to see all the videos. After seeing all the videos, we will be solving all the problem sets and move further. Okay, yeah, so if I'm skipping the videos because I have already seen it and you can see whenever needed. Yeah, so now going to problem set 0. So this is the problem set 0, and what is this thing is we need to do few steps before starting our problem sets. Once we solve the problem sets and submit it, then only we will be having our own certification. Okay, so there are if you can see there are 9 chapters available, and at the end of all the chapters we will be having one problem set. Each problem set will contains many program and we need to solve all the programs one by one, and at the end of the 9th chapter we will be having a final project. After the final project completion, we will be going for a certification. Okay, certification will be automatically given for us once we complete all these things, and it is a free certificate, so no need to worry. Okay, so here since it is problem set 0, we will be first made us to create a Visual Studio account for CS50. For this we are going to follow few steps, and after following these steps we will be setting up a basic Visual Studio account for moving with our problem sets. So in our next video we can see how to set up a basic Visual Studio account, and we will move further for every problem set. And this video is just for guidance, not for giving a permanent solution for all the problem sets. Okay, thank you and bye bye Pythonistas.